Well, it looks like Amazon has delivered. I don't know what's in those boxes, he said, lying through his teeth. Okay, let's have a look and see what Amazon has brought me. Ooh, this could be exciting. It could also be the most boring thing in the world. Loose tea. Yeah, well, what else would you expect? I am British. Oh, what's this? Well, in fact, this looks fun. This is a cast iron mortar and pestle, so that I can grind my coffee the proper way. I did buy one of these little coffee grinder thingies, manual coffee grinder thingy, but it was plastic, so I don't think it will have a very long life. What's that? Oh, yes. Lodge cast iron eraser for getting rid of rust. I'm going to need that. And what do we have here? Let's get this box out the way. What do we have? Oh, I know what we have. Oh, fork and a spoon. Nice. Oh, yes. Oh, what's that? Another fork and spoon. Hang on, there's a fork and spoon there. What do I got here? Oh, I don't know. I could have definitely see a fork. I see 2 forks, 2 knives. Do I see a spoon? I do not see a spoon. No, that is 2 spoons. Okay. Right. 2 mugs, 2 plates, 2 dishes, all tin plate. Very handy. And this is a mobile lab after all. I can bang those about without worrying about breaking them. So I'll put those there. Right, what else do we have? Okay. That is a little tray for milling bits. Not going to be much use to me, I'm afraid. And at $7.99, and I've got 2 of them, it's really not worth sending them back. And the holes are just too big. I'm just going to have to get a drill bit and drill some wood. Okay, what else do we have in here? Oh, Lodge cast iron seasoning spray. Very useful. What else? Oh, right. A tea mesh strainer. Now this is going to be good for coffee as well. Because I can grind my coffee and I can put it in here and it will sit inside a mug. These wings will keep it from sinking into the mug, and I can brew and I can have my own brewed coffee without the grounds getting in the mug. Useful. I like that. Well, of course I like it. I bought it. Okay, so that goes in there like that, and that goes there like that. As usual, there's when you buy a bunch of stuff, there's always a disappointment from Amazon, and that was it. This silly milling bit holder. My milling bits don't go much bigger than probably this row, maybe these 2 rows. So while I could cut this bit off, it's not 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36. Yeah, it's not worth it. It's not worth bothering with. It's only holds 70. That would only hold 72 bits. But I did get some good stuff. Oh, why is it not stopped?